So I'm just going to give a quick little disclaimer here. This video does say 6-pack in 6 weeks, but it does not guarantee a 6-pack in 6 weeks. Everyone's situation is different, but it certainly is possible to go from not having a 6-pack to having a 6-pack in 6 weeks. And even if it doesn't happen in 6 weeks, following these tips and this advice can help you get a 6-pack eventually if it's not within 6 weeks. So the first thing you need to do is take a step back and assess yourself. What is the reason that you don't have a 6-pack or the 6-pack that you want? Do you, one, have a 4-pack and maybe that's why you're not seeing any lower abs like I do? Do you have too much body fat covering your abs? Do you, number 3, possibly have no ab muscle at all and need to work on building your abs bigger? Or maybe it can even be a combination of both. So the second thing that you need to do is pick the exercises that you need. What style of exercise? Are you trying to build muscle or are you trying to lose weight? If you're trying to lose weight, I will link it in the description below. I have a playlist of 6-pack workouts that I did at home that were mostly cardio based and for losing weight and for getting a better 6-pack. But if you're trying to build muscle in your abs, then what you need to do is you need to be adding resistance to your ab workouts, which is something that I see a lot of people not do as often. So, you just do your sit-ups and your crunches and your leg lifts, but you're not doing them with weighted resistance, and that makes it more of a cardio based exercise instead of a muscle building exercise. So let's say when you're doing sit-ups, if you could grab a weight or a 25-pound plate, just do your sit-ups with a 25-pound plate attached to your chest, doing leg lifts with a weight in between your legs, doing oblique twists with weighted resistance on the cables maybe, just something to add resistance to your ab workouts will help you get a better core. So here's some very important things to remember when you're working out your abs. There's a difference between working out your upper and your lower abs. Your upper abs are worked through movements like sit-ups and crunches, movements where the top of your body is moving, and lower abs are worked through movements where your legs are moving. So for example, bicycle kicks, 6-inch holds, and leg lifts would be working your lower abs as opposed to the other movements which would be working your upper abs. Also, you need to be working on your obliques as well. Those are very important and those are very often forgotten. So for example, side planks, oblique twists, stuff like that is going to work your obliques more. Also, please keep in mind that you cannot spot reduce fat. Just because you're doing ab exercises only does not mean that you're going to be burning fat in just your abs. Yes, your abs burn, but you'll be losing fat from your body as a whole. You cannot just do sit-ups and only burn fat in your abs. You cannot do bicep curls and only burn fat in your arms. That's not how it works. But also keep in mind that body fat is stored differently in everybody. But biologically, let's look at it as women store a lot of fat in their breasts, in their buttocks, and their legs more. And men tend to store a lot of fat in their lower stomachs. That's why it's a lot harder for guys to get the lower abs. Your diet is also very important, so be sure to shake that up. Are you trying to gain muscle and not eating enough? Are you trying to lose weight and eating too much? If you're trying to lose weight, basically cut some carbs and cut some calories. If you're trying to gain muscle, add in some more calories and add in some more protein as well. But this summer, I just finished my semester. Actually, I have one more test left and then I'll finish my semester. And I'm going to be very busy this summer, but I'm also going to be focusing on this a lot. I'm going to try and put out more videos, and especially I'm going to be focusing on diet a lot more. This channel has been mostly exercise, and so recently I'm starting to convert to diet a little more and focus on that. So be sure to subscribe for that and stay tuned. And the 5th thing is be patient. As I told you guys earlier, this may not take exactly 6 weeks. This is not a cookie cutter, one size fits all kind of thing. Maybe it'll take you 6 weeks, maybe it'll take you 2 weeks, maybe it'll take you no time at all or a very long time. Just depends on your starting point and your dedication and a lot of genetics, of course. Because some people show abs at 15% body fat, and some people show abs at 8% body fat, barely. Everyone's different folks, different strokes. So you just gotta be patient. And another thing you should do is subscribe to this channel and check out the links in the description below. Check out my social medias, which are linked in the description below. So I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys can get a 6-pack in less than 6 weeks. Let me know if you have any videos you want me to make in the comment section down below. I appreciate your feedback, and I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you guys later. Bye.